Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Talk. I am Anna.
And I am Ben. We are continuing our series on rainy day comfort foods.
In our last episode, we talked about savory meals like hot soups and steaming hot pot.
Those were great, but now I am ready for something a little different.
Me too. Today, we are talking about the sweet side of rainy days.
That is right. We are talking about baking and sweet treats that make us feel cozy inside.
We will learn some very useful phrases for your sweet tooth and home baking.
And do not forget, you can download the free PDF transcript and practice exercises for this episode. You will find the link in the description.
Let us get started with our sweet rainy day.
So we talked a lot about hot soup and big meals, but what about something sweet?
Oh, I was hoping you would ask. I definitely have a sweet tooth. When it rains, I do not just want salty food, I really want sweet treats.
Me too. There is something special about eating a sweet snack when it is raining. What do you usually do to satisfy your sweet tooth?
Instead of going out to buy something, I love to bake. Baking is the perfect activity for a gloomy day.
Baking at home? That sounds like a lot of work.
It is a little bit of work, but it is worth it. I usually whip up a snack like chocolate chip cookies or banana bread. They are simple and fun to make.
Banana bread is delicious. I love it when it is warm.
Yes, and the best part is not even eating it. The best part is the smell. When you bake, a beautiful baking aroma will fill the air in your house.
I know exactly what you mean. When you walk into a house and smell cookies in the oven, it immediately makes you feel happy.
Exactly. The sweet smell of butter, sugar, and vanilla fills the air and makes the whole house feel so warm and cozy. It changes the feeling of the whole day.
I do not bake very often. I am not very good at it, but I do love to eat sweet things. When I want to relax on a rainy afternoon, I usually make some afternoon tea.
Afternoon tea sounds very lovely. What do you have with your tea?
I make a strong pot of black tea. Then, I find some biscuits, maybe a piece of cake, or some small chocolates. I sit by the window, listen to the rain, and enjoy my sweet treats.
That sounds like a perfect, peaceful moment.
It really is. Sometimes, a hot cup of tea and a sweet cookie just hit the spot. It is exactly what my body and mind need to feel good.
Hit the spot is a great way to say it. When it is cold and dark, a warm cookie really hits the spot. Do you buy your cakes from a bakery?
Yes, I usually stop by a local bakery before I go home. If I see dark clouds in the sky, I buy some pastries. I want to be ready for my rainy afternoon tea.
That is very smart. You plan ahead for your comfort food.
I have to, because if I stay inside and do not have anything sweet, my sweet tooth will make me crazy.
I understand. For me, whipping up a snack is faster than going out in the rain. If I have flour, sugar, and eggs, I can make something delicious in 30 minutes.
I should learn how to bake a simple cake. Then my house can have that wonderful smell too.
You should. I can give you a very easy recipe for banana bread. You just mix the ingredients in one bowl, put it in the oven, and wait for the smell to fill the air.
I will definitely try that next time. Having fresh, warm banana bread with my afternoon tea sounds like the best rainy day plan ever.
It is. Sweet treats and rainy days are a perfect match. They bring so much comfort. Let us look at some more useful expressions.
Sounds great. Let us do it.
First is, have a sweet tooth. This means you really love eating sweet foods like candy, cake, or chocolate. Example, my brother has a big sweet tooth. He eats dessert every day.
Second is, whip up a snack. It means to make some food very quickly and easily. Example, I was hungry, so I decided to whip up a quick sandwich.
Third is fill the air. This means a smell or sound spreads everywhere in a room or place. Example, the smell of fresh coffee fills the air in the morning.
Fourth is hit the spot. This means something is exactly what you wanted or needed, especially food or drink. Example, After a long walk, that cold glass of water really hit the spot.
Fifth is afternoon tea. This is a light meal or snack in the afternoon, usually with tea and sweet foods. Example, we sat in the garden and enjoyed afternoon tea together. So listeners, do you prefer to whip up a sweet snack or a savory meal when it rains?
Write your answer and share it with us in the comments below. Thank you so much for listening to Everyday English Talk.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode about rainy day comfort foods and learned something useful for your daily life.
Do not forget to download the free PDF transcript and vocabulary exercises in the description box below. It is a great way to review everything we talked about.
Tell us in the comments, what is the first thing you want to eat the next time it rains?
Stay warm, eat good food, and keep practicing your English every day.
We will see you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.